Yes, all this why nobody knows about it.
Nobody knows what it
Yes.
is.
And you see, this can be caused by three things: loose contact,
Okay.
overload. Maybe that particular line has been overloaded. From what I'm seeing here, you see this thing they have done. And a very nice house like this doesn't deserve this at all. It doesn't deserve this. And then it could be imbalance, load imbalance, and all that. Anyway, I don't know where do we. Boss, can you see it?
Yeah.
There's something we call cable lock. That's what you use. Then you have a very firm grip. The same thing here, where it's bending. You see that place too, there's no cable lock.
Right.
They just twisted the cable around with a plier, and you think that the right thing has been done.
Yeah.
Anyway. The one I say, boss again. Hey, children, na me. Wow. Children, me who ni me ba. Maso bi. Palate no ben no kakra. Okay. Into from here no loop him another one. Another one also share now.
Say I say 2.
Yo,
Okay.
into
So I go check it.
do you know what happened here? A line
Yeah.
where a clear example of line voltage. And I'm at the way see. And your face. See, it's not just like say I worry no. There are technicalities involved. Where a three phase into a line voltage in Amadi Nashi. Because a phase voltage are better than a beshi. Now I cannot what am I say? Meaning say almost one line edify my the other side. Who say winner? Who say winner I say 3.
Yeah.
Those actually another one in the command way. Check it when man say how many cables in the shim?
1, 4.
One.
4.
Socket here, usually socket here, how many lines?
3.
And here 3. Then 4.
Okay, red here 2.
What you say? So it means that we know your friend is almost actually another line edify the same pipe at the command different sockets. And I'm catching neutral earth if the nearest and the man. So it's technicality. In terms of my wire, everything is working all right.
Yeah.
But we see after some time a blue. That's how it is. That is how it is. In the Juma, and you say like my ear light number. No, it goes beyond that. It goes far beyond that. Munya na munya we, your friend is saying munya decoration na yenye we.
It is entering film.
And so ubendeng, so kifim.
And I give you a copy film now.